또 그전 통화로.
야, 얘기도 가기가. 까 오는 저기 봤다가.
그래서 오늘 띄엄 나가요.
많이 때문이니까 이렇게.
어디 나와?
라면은 좀 보시자.
앞으로.
Jadi yang lagi sih tak perlu tu.
앞으로 그냥. 사이네. 어디 나와니?
둘이 나중에 하자. 어딘 게 나왔네. 엘비. 제시카 엄마 아이샤 다 우리 상에 하자는 분이 뭐죠?
아마 또 기분.
여기 쏘기도.
오늘 앱센터 하자.
엄마랑 어디 갈까?
나이 많이 맞아 오시는 분이. 뭐 딩기 마탕 제 말린 라.
아, 그래.
까나라키야.
마리아 라.
Maria.
오케이 오케이.
우리 나이는 다음 때 하다서 나한테 무슨 나이도 따라하는 거야. 그래. 거기 나살.
뭐 마사기ꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯁꯨ ꯁꯣꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯞꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯨꯔꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯨꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯁꯝ ꯃꯥꯡꯕꯗꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯠꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯃꯥꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯝꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯗꯣ
ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯪꯗꯣ ꯈꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯅꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯠꯅꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯟ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯁꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯤꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯇꯩꯔꯦ ꯇꯩꯔꯦ ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯛꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯣ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯀꯦꯕ ꯃꯦꯀꯞ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯤꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯪꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯩ ꯁꯝꯖꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯩꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ
ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯝꯒ ꯀꯥꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯅꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯐꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗꯧꯔꯕꯅꯦꯕ
ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯪ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ
Then Marlin the big Marlin the Shital the Piago. Then Sing Pan Magise Sharina the Pirage. Nagise Ginang Lagis Okay, I'm giving you 10 minutes, okay?
Assistant Professor, Department of Physiology, Jennings. Mana akoi female body ki matang da katang interaction macha ama tawgani ado noi phasana cooperation pibiyo so that let's welcome Sangeeta.
Thank you. Settle down, please settle down. Two here, yes. 3 here, 4 here, and 5. Right? Okay, so we have 5 groups, right? So I want all the groups to write something special about being a woman. Okay, please write 1 point, or at the most you can write 2 points. Something special about being a woman. You can discuss, the group can discuss. 5 groups are there, so please discuss. Yes, only 1 point. 1 point is enough, but if you want to write more, you can write maximum 2 points. But something special of being a woman. There are numerous things, right? But I want you to write 1 or 2 points. Say we have 2 minutes, please. So let's come to the point. We'll talk about menstruation first. And as a woman, we are very curious about our body. What's going on during our puberty? We feel the pain over the breast. What's that? It's happening. We want to share it. And nowadays, you are lucky enough to have this internet. You can just Google it out and see what's happening, right? But that's not a dictum. And we cannot predict it, that all the information given in the net is true. That you have to take into account, right? That's why we doctor come in this picture. So see, menstruation is nothing but it is a periodic preparation of your reproductive life. Okay, so what's happening is that it is preparing for the fertilization of the fertilized ovum, right? If there is no fertilization of the ovum, then what happens? What happens is that there will be periodic bleeding of your vagina, right? And this period, when you bleed, it might go for around 3 to 5 days or even 6 days. And sometimes what happens is that the first period you got, it is known as menarche. We call it menarche in our medical term, right? But when you get it, it's not that you'll always get it every month. Actually, we are supposed to get that. But for the preparation, when the first time you got it, there may be a gap, long gap. And after that, you can get it later. There's nothing to be panic of. But ideally, what happens is that it is cyclical bleeding, so it should come every month. And when it comes, it can come after 28 days or after 35 days or even a month. It depends. So now, how do I calculate my menstruation period then? So it starts from the first day of the menstrual period to the next menstrual period, the first day. Not the 5th or the 4th day. The first day when you start bleeding to the next period, you start bleeding again. So that period is known as your menstruation time. So women as such, we are very wonderful. Why we say that? Because we carry all the 4 seasons together. That is your four phases of your menstrual cycle. Okay, so what are the phases of the menstrual cycle? The first phase is the bleeding period, the first week. When you bleed. So during this bleeding time, you don't want to open up. You feel very inward and we feel very negative and we feel very contemplated, right? Then the second phase is a follicular phase. So what in follicular phase? We become very creative. And lots of energy, right? And during that bleeding phase, you flow out all the negative energy actually. So when is this desirous period where they want to have babies? So it's on the day of the ovulation, 2 days prior to ovulation and 2 days after ovulation, because you cannot predict the exact time, right? So what you should do is that during the day of ovulation, 2 days before and 2 days after, that is the ideal time to make intercourse if the couple desire for the baby, right? And nowadays what happens, it's a good thing that a kit has come to predict when is your ovulation time. But as such, during the ovulation time, your temperature, your vessel temperature will increase a bit other than the normal temperature which you have it, right? Then again the second thing, see, And if the couple, they don't want to have children, then again they should be precautious enough during this time if they have intercourse. So when is this safe period? It's on the day of the ovulation, 4 days prior and 4 days after. They should avoid unprotected sex. Okay, so they should avoid during this time if they don't want to have children, right? But for the people who are not couple, I should be aware of that unprotected sex is not good at all. Be careful, okay? So it's not good at all. It's not about children. It's not only about children. It's about the infectious disease having on. And we should be open enough to talk about this, right? I am not like telling, and I am not the one who will judge this. You have that relation, you don't have. You are what is that? Well enough, I mean, to understand all these things. And we should not shy off to talk about this, right? Okay, then this is the ovulation time. Then after that, the ovulation time, we call it as luteal phase. What happens in luteal phase? Luteal phase is a medical term, but at the common people, what they will know is that PMS, premenstrual syndrome, we have it, right? So PMS or mood swings. So what happens during this time? We become irritated, depressed. We don't want to talk about anything, right? And sometimes we even fight with, yes, some cramps we also might have it. There may be like our body blots, swells up, right? You feel very irritated. So it will resolve once you bleed for 2-3 days, right? So during this time, what you should do is that you should avoid like lots of salt intake so that it doesn't increase your blotness. In the first night, if the girl doesn't bleed, that means the girl is not virgin. And she is mistrusted and sometimes even honor killing for that girl, right? If she doesn't bleed on the first night, which is a very wrong concept. When you make the first intercourse, it sometimes it doesn't break also. It can just hold on. And sometimes if the girls do cycling, more of cycling, horse riding or active, it might break that time also before the intercourse. But the thing is that during the first intercourse, her hymen might not have broken. I told you it's an elastic thing, right? So it might have, like the sperm might have got inside. So that thing you should mind of like. And if anyone says that hymen is not the proof of your virginity, so what will you offer? What will you offer if it's not the hymen? We will say that we don't offer nothing. And my personal view is that to prove our virginity, to us even, that is not what? Questionable. Why? Why they should ask? You have your own right, right? So this is something that you should like think about it before going too far. Okay. So and WHO, the World Health Organization, has defined that health is not merely an absence of a disease. You should be mentally, physically, emotionally sound. And recently what they have put up is that you should be sexually active also at the same time. Okay? So this is about health. Then what happens? See, if you want to stay healthy, you should love yourself. You should love your body, and you have only one body. You can change your clothes, you can change your shoes, furniture, even your ex-boyfriends. You can change them, right? But you cannot change yourself. You cannot change your body. Why? See, so you have to stay fit, right? You have to stay fit. Eat healthy. What you eat is feeding you, and then it will show off, right? And men cannot just decide. This is why I'm bringing up that hymen. Just decide by looking in between our legs that how we are, right? How we are. So we should be proud enough to menstruate, to give birth, to create life. And I'm happy that all of you came with that great ideas, right? Okay. Anything more you want to know from me? See, pain, we call it dysmenorrhea. So what happens is that, see, pain, we girls, you like, see, if you are like, what happening is that the blood is coming out and the abdomen is contracting. Contract over the blood float over the water. So what happens? During this time, you have to change your pads very frequently. Even if you don't bleed also, you have to change it. You should not keep it for a long time. And please avoid using tampons. You're supposed to use sanitary napkin. And back that time, I remember people don't use any napkins also. That is very unhealthy, right? Otherwise, like, it is very like infectious. So it's better you use napkins, and you should change it 4 to 6 hourly, ideally. Tampons, because tampons used over media, if they use it for a longer time, there's a disease which is known as toxic shock syndrome. Toxic shock, TSS, which is very dangerous, very risky in our life. Even like septicemia, so we should avoid using that. Dysmenorrhea is sometimes what happens. Mild dysmenorrhea, you can use hot pads, okay, hot water bag, over-the-counter drugs, okay. Otherwise, if it's severe, then we need to check up to a doctor. Like if we wear our undergarments, bra, panties, okay, it's not good. We should wear cotton panties, cotton panties. Actually, what we are letting is that we should let it breathe. Sometimes what happens is that during our periods, if we take bath with very cold water, we are very, very vulnerable. Flow do chatling, flow do chatling, either it will be a problem, right? But the best thing is hygienic oil. Akoigi imung manungda hana haira mise nupina period sautari chakum changba yade, kitchen the work to yade. Maybe in a right way. Because we're going to cut the vegetables, we're going to wash the utensils, we don't know how hygienic it is. And that time we don't use sanitary napkin. Right? So that's not healthy, infection prone. Maybe that reason. Maybe that reason. And what school, like when you were in school, your nightmare was to stain our skirt during our periods. And the worst part is when the teacher asks you to stand. Right? We feel very uncomfortable during that time. So even when we go and open up and talk to any girl about menstruation in front of boys, they're very shy off. But we should also teach them, right? So here what I think we are lacking is even sex education. Then we teach our kids what are bad touch, what are good touch also. We need to teach them. Because molestation is just happening in school also. Your own family. No family does not. So all, I think, like few of the girls, they must have experienced that. If they touch in some like inappropriate parts. So we should teach them. So these are the parts which you are not supposed to touch. These are the parts which they can touch. Right? So good touch and bad touch, we should always know about that. Irregularity of the periods. See, it might be due to your psychological, when you are stressed out, or when you're traveling from one place to another, or during the nutritional thing, and we are very tense up during that time. Or if it's very irregular, then you have to check your hormonal profile. There are 2 hormones responsible. We call it progesterone and estrogen. And this estrogen will make you very pretty. Okay? What happens? Like, see, menopause or missing the hot flush your bones, protect estrogen things in the bones. Menopausal age they are prone to fracture. Then our BP rises. Control estrogen and progesterone. We don't menstruate, right? We should take care of ourselves. Aduna kai tawge habada bone mayam se porous akhoi gi bone leiram se bone se khora ka chok mala ka and then what happens is that akhoi gi adugi change to premenopausal syndrome and hypaduna or peri we call it. There are many things like nowadays medical some advanced already. There are Botox, there are fillers, and aesthetic medicine, cosmetic surgeries. You can do everything. Sensitive oil skin try to avoid that happening. And during ovulation, this white discharge is more during ovulation time, and it will become a little bit thicker. Acidity in spite of like you having dysmenorrhea, pain during menstruation, again the acidity is causing you, that will be a problem. There's no issue. If you're not having acidity issues, then you can take it. You can take lime water.
tricky ยังตาบ้างคำนั้นญี่ปุ่นเสียถอยที่มารู้แบบเสียกันนานเนาะ What is one thing that you don't want to lose in your life โอ้ไฮโร่ที่ question คือ the twist ต่อที่ว่าไม่ต้องแบบ confused กันหน่อยว่าไม่ต้องไฮกันหน่อยลืมโอเค understood ก็มีส่วนที่คุณ organization ที่มาสักแต่ยามในเตอร์แต่ให้นี่ในฟิลมี่โอ้ยแบบมักนัดระจูกันเอาสิอะต้องยามใน strong แบบว่า personality ได้ยามนะ strong แบบตัวป้ามเลยแบบคุยใส่ตัวนี้สองคนน้อยเลยนะมัก strong โอ้ยนะขั้นละก็ขั้นไม่ได้ตัวนี้ตาแต่พอดีอามาอยากดีนะอะตัวนี้ไว้นะฮะอะตัวนี้ไว้ให้นี่ก็ point สิยามนะ bold โอ้ยแบบยามนะ strong โอ้ยแบบตัวอะตัวป้ามเลยแบบข้างบน
Women empowerment is needed in our society? If yes, for example, we know our mother is always there and was always there in our first cry. Everyone knows. And our ripping age.
We must know the roles and importance of women. Hai ka daba?
A better society by denying the importance and do stop by judging, seeing or by
Kasi this hari na. Capital harmony ki mo tang da hai sudum phasani ko. Sing ha da hai di multiracial oi badi na koi. Kara oi maybe aggressive oi basu darkar tak sometimes.